Alright. Sailor Jerry said, have you ever taken a foot off a boat motor? Much less a tower of power. And the answer is probably no. And guess what? Neither have I. So we got the boat running there for a little while, but it's still, I think the impeller's bad. So we're going to pull this foot off if we can. It's not as easy as it looks on YouTube there, so make sure you got a buddy with you or something. I think I got it loose. Pretty loose. I'm going to get these bolts completely off of here. You got to loosen them and then drop it a little. You don't want it falling out. If it falls out, you can bend the shaft or some shit on it. What I had to do is lower the front of the boat so I could get the ass into this thing up high enough. And there she goes. Kind of watch out for me. Might some shit fall out of there. I don't know. Alright, so there's your shaft. You don't want to fuck that up. So there's your fucking shit right there. So, your little impellers in here. I know this because I've been doing some YouTubing on this shit. You know? So you just take off them 3 bolts right there, you know, and then you see what you fucking got. So I'm not gonna do that in front of the camera there, you know, since I got all my tools and shit scattered everywhere. I'm a little out of breath because the jack on the front of the trailer doesn't work. So I had to take it, put it down by hand, and then I had to pull the boat forward and it's stuck in that mud over there. Kind of hard to do. So I'm going to pull this out right here and just see what this impeller looks like. I bet it's fucking scratch metal. You know what I'm saying? Fucking scratch metal, man. You can see that? Hold on, I'll get you down there so you can see. Hold on, I'm going to show you how to fix a fucking boat motor. If it costs me fucking $1 million, I'm fucking gonna learn that shit. Okay, we're just taking that little housing off of the top of that thing there. And I'll show you what I know about what a bad one's supposed to look like and what a good one's supposed to look like. Shut up! Come on, shut up! I'm trying to make a freaking professional video over here, you know, how to and shit. You know, you're over there just making noises and you're messing with me on me all that. You know what I'm saying? I don't even know what tool is the right size for this. This one's big right there. That'll, that'll work. This one will work. So it's all under here. Once I get this little thing off of here, I'll see. The new impeller is about $50. But I can still run the motor a little bit like that, I think. I have to check and see. Make sure I don't fuck nothing up and run it without the shaft in it. It's possible that you could. Everything's possible. You know what I mean? Everything is what's possible, man. Nothing is impossible. Come on, give me the right one. It's slippery over here in the flood. So I had the boat running for a little while and I didn't see no leaking carbs, so maybe fix that one little problem. Yeah. And now we're looking for another. We're gonna get it hammered out, baby. It's gonna be a good deal. I think the motor's pretty good. God damn it. Now I don't have no fucking, what size is that in here? Shit. Assholes. Rule number 1 when you're making a how-to video, never shut your mouth and never get off the camera. So I broke both of them today, so I'm gonna try this with this little wrench. I don't think this one is very tight. Come on, baby. Yeah, it might be tighter than I thought. been seized up for a while. Caesar. The ghost whisperer. Alright, I got it coming off of there. This is a little one back here. I don't know what it's there for. Just to piss you off, I guess. Got some washers on there. Try to get them washers on. Look, there's a fucking wood screw in that motherfucker. Y'all see that? I think that's factory though. God. It's a wood screw. A chunk of metal. I don't know if that makes no sense. I don't think that's factory, man. I have to check into that shit. If not, some of them are down there fucking around. Fucking around with shit. Oh, gotta get them washers off. Damn it. I didn't get the fucking washer off of there. Come on, motherfucker. I don't want to lose the fucking washer, you fucking prick. Alright. So there we're coming. Straight up with this little housing. It's got this fucking rubber thing there. I can take that shit off. Get my washers. Yep. Oh, shit. There it goes. I got it. I'm going to take that off. And yes, your water pump is fucked. Wait till you see this shit. Water pump is completely fucked. Alright, fuck that shit. Let me show you. Come on over here, you motherfucker. This thing is fucked up beyond recognition, man. It's fucked up to the max, Holmes. You don't even want to come off of there. Come on, baby. You're supposed to just slide off. This motherfucker ain't even coming off. Stuck on there like glue, man. Hold on. I get you. Get you out, man. Get you out. It's just a piece of fucking rubber. This thing is. This fucking thing is fucked, man. Alright. They said be careful, there's a keyway in there. There it is right there. If I lose that, I'm in big trouble. Okay, I remember that from the YouTube video. But wait till you see this shit. I'm gonna leave that there. Hopefully a bird don't eat that. Look at this fucking thing. Y'all with me? Look at this fucking thing. Y'all see this? Wait, where's this camera? Oh, this camera's still fucking cross-eyed and shit. Look, it's all fucked up like a Max, man. Y'all see that? This thing is whack, dude. It's fucked. See, it just... I want y'all to see that real good, because that ain't pumping no water. No fucking way, man. Yep. So, gotta get me one of these. Fucking $50. But, I may not do that next week. I think maybe, like I said, I can still just run the motor a little bit here and there. And, you know, get this fixed next, because this money is fucking here and there and everywhere. This shit's got fucking shit down in there where the water's supposed to come up from the bottom. All this rubber stuck in there. I'll show y'all that. That's real pretty. All the rubber that came off the outside ring of this is all stuck in those ports. Like, yeah, stuck in these holes right here. So the water that comes in the engine down here, right below that, is supposed to come up through here, and this spins and shoots the water up, or shoots it some kind of way up. I mean, the water can't even hardly get through there. This thing was just like probably stuck there, you know. And plus all that, look at that shit. So anyway, this Sailor Jerry over here at How to Be a Boat Mechanic Yourself Without Paying Outrageous Prices, which I had before. It's crazy how much they charge for this shit. So anyway, I'm cutting it loose. Y'all be good. Salute. I'm done work for today. Oh, by the way, I put the other shocks on the Mustang today. I had a replacement pair of air shocks that the ones that they gave me before were leaking, so I had to replace those today. And we ran the boat a little while and got this foot off of here, and everything probably alright someday.